Hi guys, so guys, we are on a Saturday. Today is on a Saturday, yeah. So today we have guests. They are coming over like dinner, guest couple friends, but they are more of my hubby's friends, yeah. But we are hosting them, so we are doing some preparations here and there because it's like around 2 p.m. right now, and they are coming around 6. So we're just doing preparations here and there. I'm going to show you what we are going to cook today. The ingredients, the ones we cook for our guests, the normal African way, especially Kenyan way. Yeah, so yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And so yeah guys, so the people we are hosting today, like I said, they are more of my hubby's friend. I have known him like he is the closest friend for my hubby. So I just want to ask, like, do they have like, I wanted to ask hubby whether they have like besties. Is it a best friend? Besties like the way I have my best friend. So do guys call themselves besties or something, babe? Babe, do you call yourself besties or just friends?
Just friends.
Just friends? Because I've known him for long, yeah, for years. So yeah, like me, for ladies we call us besties or something. He knows my best friend, so yeah. So yeah guys, let's continue with the cooking. And yeah, all of us are in the kitchen, as you can see. I have my chefs here helping out. So yeah guys, first we are going to marinate this chicken here, and then we'll boil, deep fry the chicken. Yeah, it's like a side piece of the dish. That's our main agenda. And guys, I've prepared the dough for the chapatis, as you can see. They are ready to bake. So yeah guys, that's it. So let's continue with what we are doing. Taraji, what are you doing? Say hi, mama.
Hi.
Say hi guys, look here.
Hi guys.
What are you doing?
I'm cooking
Cooking what?
chapati and chicken.
Hey. Okay.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say.
We just added some salt. That's why you see those whitish things.
Strong color. Ama ni kidding.
Turmeric na curry, yeah. So guys, so Taraji left with her dad. They went to buy meat. I was supposed to buy meat yesterday, then the rain came, poured like cat and dogs. Here we say cat and dogs if you are Kenyan. You know that, like it was so heavy. The rain was too much. So I didn't manage to buy yesterday, the time I was supposed to buy. That's why they left today. So I'm here cooking chapati. Then after they come, I will be boiling the meat while cooking the chapatis. So let me hurry up because it's 4 p.m. and I have only 2 hours. I want to finish everything before the guests come, so that we can have time to talk and have a good time. Yeah, I love having guests, guys. I love it so much, and I love cooking for my guests. They are our neighbors actually. You might think they are coming from far, but they are just neighboring. They are just, it's a walking distance, but since they have kids, they can't come like walking, and it's late, so they can drive or take an Uber. So yeah, guys, that's what's up. So I'm trying to hurry up. We were just taking our lunch, and we forgot we hadn't get, so we started talking with hubby. But anyway, we still have time. We just need to hurry up. I don't know who keeps on knocking up there. I think the kids make that noise. I hope you can't hear that noise, guys. Someone is knocking like that. So let me show you what I'm doing. This is my first step. The second step, that is after powdering. I kept the dough for like an hour actually, so it's so good. I kept the dough.
You got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
So guys, I'm still alive. So I finished cooking chapati. So right now I'm just cooking stew. Mama, you're shocking. So I'm cooking stew, and it's 6, guys. Don't know whether you can see. And then I'm boiling a little rice. Just a little, because people don't like much rice. So I just decided to cook just a little. Yeah. So guys, the dishes are almost ready. So the dish which is remaining, so the soup is ready, and these are our chapatis and the chicken now. Let me show you. Look how it looks. Yeah. So guys, that's it. So guys, I'm going to freshen up, so I see you later as we do other things, as we wait for our guests. Yeah, I'm so very tired right now, so let me go freshen up. At least hubby will be helping me with the chicken, deep frying the chicken, so I can go and take a quick shower. I see you later, guys. I see you later.
Karibuni. Cassandra. Welcome. Hi, Leila. Your friend. Aya. Hi. Karibuni. Poa. Asante.
Hello, sasa. Mambo.
Karibuni shangae.
Tumepotea.
Karibuni shangae, kwani?
Tumepotea?
Nimepotea ni.
Wewe tuko wengi.
Karibuni, haina shida. Wengi kitu gani?
Tuko wengi. Haya. You want to cry?
Ana shaka mkweli anasema.
Anatembea.
Unaona?
Leila, have you seen Cassandra before in school? Wapi?
Cassandra aliniambia anamuonanga akiachwa na basi, kuja na basi ya pick Davis. Sasa akiingia hiyo basi moja ndio mkubwa. Wengine wadogo wanachukuliwa sana.
Umonangi huyu? Nani? Lakini nasikia block yake iko different na ya hawa, sasa ziko tofauti.
Walitolewa kwenye walikuwa?
So walijenganga hapo kando, walijenganga mpya.
So walipeleka hiyo mpya?
Playgroup.
Hiyo pia imeisha.
Hawa nenda direct huko chini, lakini chini.
Chini imeisha.
Chini. Huyo nenda direct huko chini.
Nenda huko tena.
Niliendea nini? Niliendea report book.
But
vile
kama
wamefunga.
utaingia huko huwezi ona. Kama utaenda hiyo side.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Haya.
Ukiingia tu reception utaiona. But ukiingia uingie on the left, Marina school bus nini utaona ikienda.
Mimi tukienda kuulizia Cassandra shule na walikuwa ground floor tu. Ndio walikuwa wanajenga sasa ground floor. Hata palikuwa bush.
Hi guys, so today is Sunday and so first thing my guests came, they ate as you all see. So I didn't vlog when they were eating and all because I actually forgot, like the stories were too much, the fun. We had not seen each other for like since last year April, so I had to give them all the attention, you know. Yeah, so we ate, we tell stories and all until today morning. And before yesterday, before the guest, I had to clean so many clothes here. As you can see, I'm on the rooftop, so I want to unhang these clothes. And yeah, I had washed them, so that's why I was actually so tired, because I had done a lot of things before in the morning and right now. So that's why I'm doing this video here. I want to collect all these clothes because they are dry. I hung them yesterday in the morning, it was raining, but right now it's so sunny, as you can see guys. I hope you can hear me because it's a bit windy. Yeah, so let me show you guys. So I have this line here. Actually there are like 5 lines. I'm against the sun. So this line, this line, this line, this, and the bed sheets here. So you guys, I'm so hardworking. I did a lot yesterday. I need a massage, like serious. So yeah, guys, that's me. I just hope one day I'll get a washing machine, because this hassle of washing with your hands is too much. It's breaking my back. Guys, this place is so windy. As you can see, there are some clothes actually which are down. I don't know how they hang, but thank God mine are so I normally put a lot of pegs in my clothes. Yeah, you see, and I make sure that I attach them like all together. You see, that's why, to prevent them from falling down. Yeah, that's my trick. You see, I'm almost done. I just want to take these ones first. There are so many. I want to take them in the house, then I'll come for these white ones. They look so good. These are Taraji's uniform. Like, they are everything white. Stocking, socks, blouse, they are white. So look at it. So guys, I'm done with the clothes. I just want to fold them, which I don't have to show you guys. So that's it for the hosting and all. But before I finish, I had this resolution for this year. We are still in January, so I wanted to start the gym. We actually have a gym in this apartment. I don't know whether it's open. I can give you a short tour of the gym, but in case it's not open, I will show you another day, guys. So I wanted it, but I'm still hesitating about it because my body is not that bad. I don't know, guys. What do you have? Is it too late to ask you what was your new year resolution? What are your plans? You know, things like gym, losing weight and all, or gaining. Yeah, so yeah guys, so that's what's up. So let me go see whether it's still open so that I can show you guys. I wanted to do this a long time ago, but I think I forgot or something. Yeah, let's see whether we can manage the gym. Guys, it's actually open, so this is it. So we have this one here. I'll just say this one because I don't know even the names and how they work actually. So I need a trainer. That's the worst part. So, and this one here, and there's a mirror just to keep fit, you see. So look at all this and the smell, it smells funny. So we have this one here, have this. Do ladies use these, guys? You tell me. Okay, we have one here, bigger one. What do you expect me to gain, guys, after this? So, what about this yangi here? So it's a bit dark, so forgive me for that. The mirrors are everywhere. This side is good. I think that's it, guys. Now this is how it is. This is for only tenants here, and yeah, no payments, no nothing, unless you need a trainer. I heard a trainer is every month is 1,000, so it's not much. 1,000 Kenyan shillings, that's like how much? That's equivalent like $9 or something. Yeah, so that's it, guys. So this is our gym. It's a tenant gym, only the people who live in here. So yeah, guys, what's your new year resolution? This was mine. I don't know, I'm 50-50 about it, so it's not my year resolution. I have so many things I need to accomplish this year. I just leave them to God. There are some things, you know, you can't say out loud. Yeah, that's why I leave them to God and to my diary. You know, we have to write them. I've written them on my wall. Okay, I've stuck them on my wall so that I can remember. Every time I do something, I tick that. I tick them. So I have so many things to buy and do this year. So I'm leaving them to God and continue working hard like I'm doing now. So yeah, guys.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how.
As I was saying, continue supporting me, guys. I really need your support, and subscribe if you haven't. Always leave a comment. It goes way a long way, so it goes a long way. And the like, guys, like my video. In case you like my videos, always leave a like, a comment, and share with your friends. You can copy paste the link and share with your friends on Facebook, on your Instagram, on your WhatsApp. Yeah, that's what it means by sharing. Because someone asked me, what do we mean by when we say share? They don't know how to like copy that link. You just follow on the link and then you copy. You'll see it's copied. Then you can paste it on your page. Yeah, that's how it goes. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video till the end, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. So until my next video, bye.